It's your girl Stephanie. Steph delivers. You know. All right, guys. One of the hottest topics of Doordash Unite Facebook group as of late has been about this red card here. That's right. I can recall one time when I went out on a dash and I forgot my red card at home. Sure did. Like I would put it in my pocket when I go dash and I get back home. I put it on my dresser and then I go back on the dash and I forgot it. So, yeah. So the whole idea behind this red card conversation is pick up another card. Go on DoorDashStore.com, order another card so you will always have two on hand. Leave one in your wallet, Coco, next to your driver's license. You know you have to take your wallet with you when you drive so you'll never forget it. Let's hope not. Also, guys, another reason why you need two cards is sometimes you're out there dashing and one card doesn't work. Hopefully you have the second one with you as well. That's the backup. You know what I'm saying? All right? So that's just the tip of the day. Golden nugget tip. Put it in your pocket. Put it on lockdown. Till next time, God bless. God loves you. And Coco on. Deuces.